everyone! Welcome to Cheerful Journey channel. I'm Audrey, and today I would like to share with you an unboxing video or a haul video of this February NotedJournal Ph kit. So if you would like to see what's inside this February kit, then please keep on watching. Okay, so this is the February kit from NotedJournal Ph. Once again, NotedJournal Ph is a local brand here in the Philippines, and I think this costs around 700 pesos. So I'm not sure if they have this subscription package or subscription kit on a monthly basis, but as for me, I just wait for the announcement. I subscribed in their Facebook group and then wait for the announcement whenever they would release a box or they would release a kit. So let's start opening and check out what's inside this kit. Okay, so let's remove this very pretty sticker. There you go. Okay, so let's open this. Let's do it one by one. Okay, first, I think this is the biggest part of the kit. These are some decorative paper. So they have, yeah, this is focused. So they have that design with envelope and coffee and some coffee mug with some kind of that was used as a pencil holder. So there you go. And then, by the way, this decorative card is just one-sided. So this is the second decorative card, and then this is the third decorative card. No, decorative paper, but it is in a card form. This is, I think, in A5 size. And last but not the least, I think this is my favorite out of all the decorative paper that was provided in this kit. Okay, next we have 5 decorative papers, and then we have this laminated. There you go. We have this laminated washi tape holder, and then we have this square size. Wait, I could not remove. Wait, there. These are some sheets. I'm not sure if this is a sticker paper. No, this is cardstock. You have different sheets here. 4, 5, and 6. Yes, we have 6 pieces of this sheet. And then we have some notepad here, which I can use in the office. And just look at the design. Isn't it pretty? Okay, so after that, we have a pen. Let's try writing. Oh, this is a black ball pen. And I like the color. Next is these die cuts. Okay, let me remove these die cuts. Oh, so these are some sticker die cuts. We have February, we have washi tape. Okay, so these are the die cuts that were included in this box. There you go. I like the color selection for this kit. Isn't it pretty? Oh, it's upside down. This is a laptop. And then we also have this. And a cell phone. Isn't it cute? And a coffee cup. It's not focusing there. And then what else? Well, this is a planner. And then what else is this one? Okay, another planner. And then this one. Why are you not focusing there? This one. And then some squares. I don't know what are these things, but they are pretty. Okay, so what I like about these die cuts are she made it, Miss V of NotedJournal PH, the owner, made it a sticker die cut. So it's easier for us to use it in our planner or use it to decorate our journals. And then, just look at this one. This is a sticker holder. And this is really pretty. Okay, so you could just place your sticker there and be organized, and then you can just bring it with you anywhere you go. Okay. And what else? Oh, so we also have this insert. By the way, when I ordered, I was asked to identify the size of the planner, so I chose the regular size TN. So Miss V provided us with this draft insert in regular size, and I like it because the lines are faint. I'm not sure if you could see it. And there is also a design under. These are planner essentials such as ruler, pens, and so on and so forth. Okay. She also provided us with this dashboard, also in regular size TN. And then this is the sticker set. Let's open this one. Ta-da! Okay, so we have, okay, that is just a piece of paper. So this is the sticker that she provided, the sticker sheet that she provided, and some washi strips. There you go. And then some stickers also, more stickers, just like the die cuts. And then this mini date and day stickers. And then she also provided us with this sampler, sticker sampler. Check this out. So basically, those are all of the things that were included in this NotedJournal February kit. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed opening these items and then checking out the designs with you. So that's it for now, and please don't forget to join me again next time in my wonderful world of cheerful journey. Bye!